Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is exploring investment opportunities in Jamaica. A delegation from the Middle Eastern country is in the island on a special visit after this week's Saudi Caribbean Investment Forum in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, one of the world's top 20 largest economies, with GDP of more than 800 billion US dollars, the country is positioned to seek out new investment opportunities. His Excellency Badr al-Badr is the Saudi Arabian Deputy Minister of Investors Outreach.
The Caribbean has become a priority zone for investment and business partnership for the Saudi Arabian and Jamaica as the third largest economy in the region.
About 80 representatives of government and investors forged part of the delegation which made its way to Jamaica on Friday. The visit comes a day after the Saudi Caribbean Investment Forum.
This is a fulmination of 2.5 years of engagement with our brothers and sisters in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says Jamaica is strategically positioned for an array of investments.
We have many opportunities in Jamaica, many. We need partners to invest with us.
The contingent is particularly interested in tourism opportunities, business process outsourcing, technology and warehousing. The Saudis are, however, hoping for attractive incentives.
i.e. in healthcare, for example, they're getting concessions for 30 years in other countries. If they can be able to get 40 years or 50 years here, imagine that will even create jobs, that will even bring in even more important, bringing in the skilled laborers and nursing and others. And they're being, by the way, Your Excellency, successful in your neighboring countries in the region, in the Caribbean.
Meanwhile, as the economic climate darkens due to various global factors, the government says it is still seeking out strategic opportunities.
Ed and I go around the world, Spain, Saudi Arabia, everywhere to look for investment, and we're not going to stop. Recession or no recession, because if we don't do it, the country can't grow, and we cannot stop growing.
To some other news now, more money was in circulation at the end of 2021 on the island. The Economic and Social Survey for 2021 showed that $339.9 billion was in the hands of Jamaicans. That's $57.3 billion more than the $282.5 billion in circulation for 2020. The report says this was due to growth in the country's net international reserves, NIR, as net domestic assets declined. And to the markets today, the U.S. currency is being sold for an average $152.09. $116.57 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $182.95 for the pound, while it's costing an average $157.35 for the euro. The JSE index lost 1,165 points today, while the junior market index declined by 15 points. Among today's winners were CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, GUS Corporation, Mayberry Investments and Indies Pharma Jamaica, as well as Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, while on the losing side were Berger Paints Jamaica, First Raw Capital Holdings, 138 Student Living Jamaica, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Consolidated Bakeries. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. But before we go, here's a look at what's to come in the business review on Sunday. Right after that, the regional and international roundup.